All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is a Witch 3000. Not too hard to do. It's just a weird angle to hit it. Way this works is behind this black box, there's 4 Torx on this. Open those Torx up, you'll get in underneath. You can hit the ignition switch. Orange is constant 12. Self-tap of ground. Brown is for ignition. Orange is for constant 12. Bundle your cable up, bring it outside, put the box on top. That's all she wrote. You can't go under any of this other stuff. It's all, some of them are plastic. This is all metal. So it's got to go on top. It's all there is to it. At least they can see it. If make sure it's there. Nobody's like knocked it off or stolen it before they steal it. So there you go. As always, use a meter, self-tap of ground, good connections. Make sure you zip tie everything tight, because these things do vibrate a lot. So there you go. Witch SK3000.